rental place. I don't have any more car. No, actually Daddy's driving this several times. I just did use a couple of times. Just told him I'm driving in the long road, but now I don't have a use for it. Maybe Yan and I were gonna do a bus ride. Yan, it's reading time.
I want phone.
Today,
I want party.
when Mommy breaks that,
Come on, let Daddy know.
Peppa notices.
He knows that there's a video. What are you doing? You silly boy. Come on, Daddy's reading a book
Peppa
now.
notices
Waiting
that
now.
Goldie doesn't look happy.
Come on, look. Go to Daddy.
Mommy, Goldie isn't eating her food, cries
Daddy
Peppa.
and Yanyan's reading nighttime.
Oh dear, says Mommy Pig. Maybe she's not feeling well.
Loves his book.
Let's call Dr. Hamster.
I like it.
Okay.
Papa.
Let's take the bus, says Mommy Pig. Yeah, Goldie Fish. Beep beep! Oh look, here it is. Hooray, shouts Peppa and George. One Mommy ticket and two little piggies. Please, Mrs. Rabbit, snorts Mommy Pig.
Where are you, Daddy?
Where are you hiding? I'm here. Yay, hi. Mrs. Rabbit stops to pick up Mr. Bill. He's taking his tuba to the music shop to get it fixed. Hello, your fish.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Friday. I am just watching a video right now. It's fun. Actually, hi Fonz. Just here in Yanis's room. I'm still uploading my video, and there's still more videos to edit. Oh my god, I have like, I don't know. There are gonna be more videos, but that's all. I'm just testing this camera again on how to really like get to talk to you straight in the eye rather than talking to you on the side. So we're here, so just checking if I'm doing it right. Okay, so I think I got it right. So I just have to move my camera on the side a little bit, and then I have to straight on the lens and then talk to you that way. So I guess I got it right. Okay guys, so I'm still doing laundry right now, and I have to put the clothes in the dryer, and then I think I'm gonna fold some clothes, and then I have to wash the dishes as well. Home chores, yeah. Ito ang ganap ngayon. And also we're gonna be we're gonna go grocery shopping as well in grocery outlets. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. And yeah, it's very hot weather, hot humid today. So we are here in Panda Express. We're gonna eat dinner for tonight, and then after that we're gonna go grocery shopping. Okay. So now we're here in
I want it.
here. Hey, Yan. So we're here to grocery outlet buying some grocery for the weekend, right, Yan? Yeah, some food supplies. Wait, can we get that? Anything from here?
Fish, but just a back burner idea.
It could have been better if it's like multi-packed. So now mag-think of us putting the food on. Guwapa pa dyan kaayo. Oh, so guwapa. So, you know, but I don't know if I can eat it all though. In one big shot. Maybe a small one. Grocery. Almond rocker, love.
Don't sit there.
This one. So good. Get it. Okay, so I'm getting this one. This is my sweet thing for the week. Almond rocker. What are you doing, little boy?
A question.
What?
A question.
What are you doing?
A question and an office.
You're crazy.
I'm crazy.
today I'm gonna be getting some from if I can find it. And my favorite is mocha. And let's find the date. And the date is November 17th. Yay! And how much is this one? I don't remember how much. So I'm just gonna get one. Just get one.